Today's industrial environments are more complex than ever. Forklifts, automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, and pedestrians share the same operational space, increasing the risk of collisions and safety incidents. Traditional safety measures rely on human awareness and reaction time, but modern facilities require proactive, intelligent protection system. In this video, we showcase 10 integrated forklift safety technologies designed to detect risks in real time, prevent accidents, and enhance operational safety, protecting both people and productivity. Forklift-to-Forklift collision prevention. Smart distance detection triggers real-time alerts and automatically adjusts driving behavior to prevent forklift-to-forklift collisions. UWB Pedestrian collision avoidance. With a smart wristband powered by UWB technology, pedestrians can sense forklift movements in real time, enabling proactive avoidance before danger strikes. AGV forklift collision protection. Seamless coordination between AGV and manual forklifts ensures safe interaction between automated and human-operated equipment. AI-powered collision avoidance. Using deep learning and environmental sensing, the system identifies potential hazards, issues intelligent warnings, and can even brake automatically. The more it's used, the smarter it gets. Narrow aisle forklift safety. For high-level operations with blind spots, laser scanning detects pedestrians and obstacles in real time, slowing or stopping the vehicle to guarantee safe passage. Collision video monitoring. In busy factory environments, collisions are sometimes unavoidable. When they happen, the system instantly records and rewinds the scene, providing clear evidence for incident analysis and accountability. High lift speed limiter. Automatically adjusts speed based on fork height. Reducing the risk of tipping or collisions during high lift travel. Footshield Pro. A pressure-sensitive switch at the rear of pallet trucks detects when an operator's or pedestrian's foot is too close. Triggering a stop or reverse command to safeguard every step. Traffic lights and safety barriers. Combining traffic signals with physical barriers creates a clear, orderly flow for both pedestrians and forklifts. Entry/exit speed control. Reduces accident risk in high traffic or high-risk access points by automatically slowing vehicles down. Zone speed limiting. Ensures maximum safety by enforcing reduced speeds in designated hazardous areas. Ground projection warning lights. Projects bright visual warnings onto the floor, reminding pedestrians and forklifts to stay alert. Corner alert lighting automatically detects approaching people or vehicles at blind corners, triggering sound and light alerts to prevent collisions. Vehicle inspection app. Missed inspections are the first step toward an accident. This app standardizes daily forklift checks, records accurate operational data, and creates a closed-loop system for inspections, record-keeping, and alerts, ensuring every vehicle is compliant, safe, and ready before starting work. Forward motion limiter. Detects when a full load blocks the driver's forward view and automatically prevents forward movement, forcing safer reverse operation and avoiding blind spot accidents. Overload alarm. Continuously monitors load weight. When limits are exceeded, it issues an alert and locks the system to prevent tipping, structural damage, or equipment failure. Driver assistance system. Identifies unsafe driving behaviors in real time, issues warnings, and records incidents, helping companies improve safety culture and driver accountability. Safety first, cost down, energy saved. Let's work together for a factory where accidents are history.